Anyone can suffer from hearing loss, regardless of age, occupation, but probably the most common people that we see that have the higher risk of hearing loss would be people over the age of 55. So the older we get, we have a higher risk of suffering those sensorineural type hearing losses that we talked about. The second big population that can suffer from hearing loss, people that work around noisy environments, like musicians, construction workers and things, and that's because exposed noise can actually cause damage to the inner ear as well. The third big one we see in the clinic is people that are more genetically predisposed for hearing loss. So they might have a mum or a dad or a close family member that do have hearing loss. So they are the ones that are high risk at hearing loss. In general though, what I recommend is if you have any change in hearing, if you notice any change in hearing at all, no matter what age, what occupation, do get your hearing checked, because there is a thing called sudden hearing loss, and it can happen to anyone. And the earlier we get on top of that, the better the outcomes.